How to search movies and shows in Plex application. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. In this video, we are gonna learn how you can easily search for movies and TV shows in the Plex app, whether you want to quickly find a specific movie or TV show in your library. First of all, open the Plex application on your device and make sure you're logged in. Once you're logged in, go to the top of the screen and tap on the magnifying glass icon. In the search box at the top, you can type in the title of the movie or TV show you want to watch. After you search for your content in the search result, you'll be able to find the movie or TV show you're looking for. After finding your correct movie or TV show, click on it to open up its info section. There you will be able to see the details, available episodes, cast and crews on this page. While searching for the movie or TV show, you can also type in the name of the actors, directors, or genre in some versions. After finding one of the movies or TV shows, click on Watch Now if you want to watch the TV show or movie right away. So that is how you can easily search for movies and TV shows in the Plex app efficiently. This helps you find your favorite content quickly even if you have hundreds of titles in your libraries. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.